A very different kind of light show was on display in Italy.
Now we want you to take a look at these terrifying pictures. It really looks like something out of a movie, doesn't it?
Mount Etna erupting in dramatic fashion, the world's most active volcano putting on quite the show.
Oh, there you are! Alright guys, I'm really excited to finally share this story with you, because on one hand I think I captured some really cool visuals that I want to show you, but on the other hand, and maybe even more importantly, it's about the message, which is a lot about trusting your heart and following your dreams. But I don't want to waste too much time of yours, so let's jump right into it. It all started beginning of this year when I saw the news about Mount Etna erupting in Sicily. Seeing these incredible images of the eruption, I immediately knew that this is my best chance to fulfill one of my childhood dreams, seeing real lava with my own eyes. After a couple days of back and forth and a lot of research about things like hiking paths and the area in general, I finally decided to give in and to trust my heart. So I put together a rough plan and started to book my flights. The only thing missing was to pack my bags, and off we go into the unknown adventure. Alright, so I just arrived in Palermo. Now the plan is to pick up my suitcase and then pick up the rental car, and then from there drive the 3 hours towards Catania. Get some food on the road, like a supermarket or something, and yeah, that's the plan for now. Sweet, right? Yeah, very nice. Ooh, nice. Alright, so I just did about, I don't know, like an hour of driving just to get out of Palermo, and oh man, Sicily is so beautiful. I was here last summer already, just for holidays and stuff, like my girlfriend, and also doing a little bit of a road trip around the island, and yeah, it's super nice to be here. Like, it's about 20 degrees, and back home in Zurich it's about 0 degrees right now, so just being here in a t-shirt is already super nice. And yeah, super excited to go further southeast towards Catania. Still have to find some little gas canisters for the gas cooker, and also some food and stuff for today. Yeah, so far so good. The car is running well. Yeah. Oh man, so it's 8 o'clock in the evening and I spent like the last 5 hours driving from Palermo to Catania. I'm in the area, so that's cool, but I spent the last hour going to 3 different stores, like a supermarket, hardware store, and they all had camping gas, but they have a different one down here in Sicily with a different like adapter, I guess. So my stuff doesn't work with them, and hopefully I find finally a shop where they sell the right cartridge that will fit with my thing. So I'm at Decathlon right now, and yeah, fingers crossed they have the right thing. Well, finally, I was almost giving up hope because I just walked through the whole freaking store and it's massive, but finally we are here and we found camping gas. Oh man, I'm so happy. That was quite the battle. And now it's just about the size. I think a small one is enough. Oh, that's too good. Let's see, maybe that one. Alright, so it's 9 o'clock in the evening now and I'm finally done with all the stuff that I had to do. I found the gas, I picked up water and some small groceries, like a little breakfast for tomorrow morning as example. And now I'm finally driving to a cute little restaurant that I found on the map, which is on the way towards, from my location right now, towards the trailhead at Etna. And yeah, that looked really nice, so I'm gonna treat myself to a nice dinner, and then after that I will drive up to the trailhead and hopefully find a good parking spot there where I will set up my my camp inside my car. Yeah, you know, like just my my mattress and my sleeping bed, and then go sleep. And tomorrow morning I try to start as early as possible to beat the crowds and get up the mountain, yeah, as early as possible. So that's the plan. Hopefully everything works out, touch wood. Yeah, tagliatelle al funghi di Etna, amazing. And some moretti, of course. Sicilian cuisine is amazing. Alright, good morning guys. It's 6 a.m. I just woke up and yeah, this is my camp. My cute little Jeep Renegade. And oh my god, so like when I arrived here yesterday night, it was all thick fog, like you couldn't see 10 meters far, and you know, a bit creepy and shit. Like, and now, like where I parked here in the parking area at the trailhead, there were like a bunch of cars, like about 20 cars parked already. They're all gone by now. I don't know, like probably people hiked in the night and stuff and just came back and left. And you know, it's always like stuff that I'm most sketched out often is other people, like, you know, getting robbed and stuff. So that's nice already that they're gone, and the fog is gone too. And so I just climbed out of the car and I looked up the hill there, like up the mountain Etna, and I could already see a glimpse, like a little flimmer of the lava, of the end of the lava river, which is absolutely amazing. I'm super stoked. I think you can't see it on the phone though, like on the camera. But yeah, there where the clouds are, just there was, yeah, could you see some lava? So super amazing. Gonna make a quick coffee and pack everything and get ready, and then yeah, start the hike. Camper pro tip, a friend of mine showed me that years ago. Like, you don't have to actually roll your sleeping bag. You can just shove it into the compression bag and it makes your life so much easier. My god, all those years I struggled with that, and now it's just so easy. So I think I cleared the forest and we should be really close to the end of the lava river, like where it slows down and ends up. So I'm super excited. I think it's just a couple 100 meters this way and then cut to the right. And then yeah, first base camp. Gonna get some food, cook something, and just I'm so excited to see it with my own eyes, like the first time. Oh man, it's like something like a bucket list thing for me since forever. Like to see real lava, like full on, not just like some tiny bits or something, but like, you know, like what I hope to see here, like a full lava river, like even best like an explosion, like an eruption and stuff. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm super excited. Whew, it was some hard 2-3 hours now, but feeling good, going on. Alright, so I finally made it to the first step for my journey, like base camp I would say. The part where the lava flow stopped and where like also the prepared path stopped. And so you know what's the difference between these rocks behind me and those rocks over there? Maybe you can see it, it's a wide angle though. These rocks over there are still hot. Like you can see with all the smoke going up, and if you look really close you can also see like the air flimmering because of the heat. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, because otherwise, like, I mean, all of Etna is just rocks like this. So it looks the same when the lava cools down. Yeah, but it's cool to see that it's still active, and I really hope that like tonight or tomorrow night there will be another eruption and we will see fresh lava coming down the mountain. And as you can see, the conditions are also very changing at the moment. Like the whole morning fog was coming in and coming out, and yeah, like in 5 minutes you won't see anything of the mountain anymore, which makes navigation a bit more difficult. But the good thing with fog, as I said, like it's coming in and out, so it's not gonna settle. And the weather forecast looks good, so I'm gonna prep some food now and yeah, reload a bit energy and then make a plan how I can get up the mountain. To have a good plan where I want to go and how far I can go, and where I want to set up camp for the night, because now it's about, I think, 11 o'clock, something like that, and so I have a lot of time still to do the ascent. But yeah, to just manage that, because I also saw yesterday like the sunset was about 5 o'clock. Yeah, it started to get dark at 5, so to consider that too. Yeah, so far so good. Let's go. Alright, lunch break is over and I packed up again and got ready to do the next stretch, which is uphill. Yeah, this one's gonna be a tough one. I think I'm gonna be even slower than before because yeah, it's gonna be like up the mountain. But yeah, it's really nice when the sun is out. It's really beautiful, like not as hostile. But the wind is crazy. Like when the sun is not here and the wind picks up, like man, it's freezing cold, but it's still better than in Switzerland at this time of the year. So let's go! Oh man, that's so random. I'm just making my way up the Etna in the middle of February, and look what I found here. It's just a tiny ladybug. Let me zoom in. Hey cutie! Not sure if he's still alive or if it's one of those fake ladybugs. I will not disturb him because he's probably like a lot of insects, right? They kind of, how do you say, hibernation? Yeah, right, some of them do hibernation, so it's super cute. All right, so this is my final push for today, and man, this last stretch takes forever. My goal is up here, and I feel like up when I reach that place, there will be a good spot to put up camp, like something level. But man, it's just getting steeper here and takes forever. Yeah. Sheesh. It's always hard to see it on camera, but this is really steep here. It's beautiful with the clouds. Gonna be a nice time lapse. And this is pretty level for a mountain. Yeah, I think this is where I do camp. Time-lapse didn't film everything, but it's okay. We got the camp, it's nice. Not super level, but I think it's gonna be fine. Good enough. Alright guys, so I cannot believe it, what I just saw. So the reason why I fly to Sicily and hike the whole day up Mount Etna was to see hot lava. And when I arrived here, I just saw the old lava, like the river, the rocks, and I was like, well, too late, 2 days too late. But I just popped up my Mavic and I saw it there. It is there. So I quickly got the Bob 57 ready and let's go. Let's fly some lava rivers. Man, I'm so freaking excited. All right, let's turn on the GoPro. Okay, GoPro's running. All systems ready. GPS is ready too. Okay. All right, wish me luck, guys. All right, we are up. Ooh. Man, I'm so excited. check that antennas. Yeah, all right, we're ready for this. We got this. Yeah, the battery's already quite low. 3.8, the cold, man, the cold. But it should be all good. On the Mavic it said it was 200-300 meters of elevation and about 1 kilometer of distance. And we are flying against the wind, that's great too. Oh man, I'm so excited. I can already see it from afar. Oh yeah, holy shit. I have to be careful with the heat above because it can like change the density of the air. Oh, there we go. There is the start. Yeah, okay, it feels very weird flying above it. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're gonna do a dive on this. Just gonna push. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna dive in here. Woo! Yeah, let's do the whole run. Yeah. Let's go over here. Okay, and let's dive. Ooh, almost lost it. Holy shit. That was a close call. Okay, I cannot go too low over there. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's just go over here. Nah, I think I'd rather fly it upwards, it's cooler. I got more time with it. Ah, the air is very weird above it. Super cool. Okay, time to go home. Yeah. Where am I? Somewhere here. Yeah, I think that's my camp here. Is it? Nope. Okay, we are close though. That's good. I can't see myself. Wait, if I hear it on the right side, then I have to go left. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think that's me. Yep, that's me. Man, sometimes it's so sketchy. Well, we can do some shots with the clouds and the camp and the lava rivers in the background. Why not, now that I know where we are? I forgot to check, like every time usually when I do long range, I check before I fly away how home point looks. Man, the wind is crazy up here. Wow, ha ha ha. Okay, okay, let's bring her in. Nice and slow. I'm gonna land on the snow. My hands are too cold for a hand catch. Oh man, I can't feel my hands. Woo! Something in my eyes too, like some gas or something like that. Wow, wow, that was crazy. Like first flight, the shot is not as great as I wanted it, but I think it's yeah, amazing. But let me know in the comments what you think, and I hope, yeah, let me also know if you think it was worth it, all the effort. Man, this was insane. Oh my god. Oh, such a big bucket list thing for me. This is incredible. I'm gonna turn off the GoPro and everything. Yeah, so I'm just waking up, getting ready. After I tow my shoes, I will probably do some warm-ups just to get the blood going, and then I will wait for sunrise, like to hit us, to do breakfast and stuff, because it's just more enjoyable when it's a little bit warmer. I guess with the sun it's about 0 degrees, or maybe a little bit like 1 or 2. And without the sun, it's easily -5, -7, somewhere there, if not -10. And yeah, this is a huge difference. Like, yeah, right now it's just like back home. It's cold, it's freaking cold. Anything that is exposed, your skin, like, it just hurts all the time. And yeah, that's the stuff you can't see on video. That's why I tell you guys. Oh man. Okay, I can't feel my toes already, like, sheesh. Good morning, it's, what is it, Saturday morning. Finally the sun is out, and now the next mission is, because I'm running low on water, I try and will collect some ice, snow, ice, yeah, it's ice, to cook it down. Alright, yeah, this will take some time. I will have to do this 2 or 3 more times. Yeah, maybe 5 times more, because I mean that's not a lot of water, but it's okay. It's better than no water. Yeah, there's quite some residue in there, so I'm happy that I do the whole process, because usually if you cook the water and it's boiling, normally it's enough, because that kills all the bacteria, and most of the time that's your only concern. But being on a volcano, I mean, I don't know, I'm not a volcanologist. Like, maybe there is heavy metals in there, other toxins, other chemicals. And yeah, this water filter from MSR, it's really good because it can filter all of that shit. I think the only stuff that it cannot filter is radioactive particles. And yeah, I hope I never have to do that. Although, going to Chernobyl would be really cool. It's kind of like a bucket list thing like this, what I'm doing here right now. but yeah, at the moment sadly not possible because Russia fucked this up for us. So clean snow, fairly clean. Yeah, this is a good spot. It was quite difficult to find good source of snow here because all this area, it's just too hard. Even with a shovel, I think you will not get very far, or like really exhausting. So what I do is just I scrape the top layer of ash a bit like that, as good as possible, and then I start to like with the pot I can just scrape it. Yeah, that's good. That will have to come again anyway, because now the pot looks full, right? But as soon as you start cooking, there's gonna be about like just a third, and then you have to refill with snow. That's okay. That's one of the perks about winter camping. At least there is water. Alright guys, so a little update. I just broke down the whole camp and the tent and everything, and I'm about to go on to do the final stretch of this hike to get as high as possible and as close as possible to the lava rivers that I saw yesterday on the drone. Yeah, to be in a better position to fly the drone again, the FPV drone, and also the tiny bit battery that I have left in the Mavic. I think it was 30% or something. So yeah, that's the plan. And sadly my DJI Action 2 is completely empty, and I want to save the remaining battery that I have in the power bank to charge other things like my headlamp or all of that. So I will do less vlogging, less updates. It's probably because I can't really do that with the Sony, with the A1 while hiking. It's just too much work. And it's already, this whole thing is super exhausting, so I hope you forgive me for this. And yeah, the plan is, if I don't have to, I will not sleep up here. So the thing is, the lava is only really visible at sunrise and sunset when it's not that bright, right? Just that sweet spot, yeah, which is literally sunrise, sunset. So that's also very tricky for filming because you have literally like 20 minutes with the perfect light. And yeah, so my plan is to go up there, wait for sunset, do the drone thing as much as possible, as crazy as possible, and then pack up and go the way down. Because the way it's not super technical and the snow is also pretty firm. I mean, I saw people going down without snowshoes even, so I think with my snowshoes I'm perfectly fine doing that. Yeah. Because like the nights are brutal. Like sleeping in the mountains is never really comfy. I think I never had one night sleeping in a tent setup that I was comfy. It's more about surviving. So if I can skip that, I'm not too unhappy. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm getting ready and probably see you at the top again. Peace.
4 hours later.
Alright guys, so this last stretch took way longer than I hoped for. I think in total I was hiking now for about 4 hours, but we're finally the most top that I'm willing to go, let's say. But I'm so excited because just that in the background there, behind those mountaineers, this is the lava river, and we're so close right now and there is actual lava still flowing. It's insane. Like, now it's midday, so it's not really red, like you can't really see it, but it's all moving there. I will go a little bit closer. I set down my backpack and everything, and we'll try to get some footage with the Sony. And yeah, I can't wait to send the FPV drone again this evening. Hopefully get really amazing shots of the lava rivers now that I'm much closer. Yeah, it's just incredible. I didn't expect to see it with my own eyes like this. I thought, sure, yeah, with the FPV, if everything works well and stuff, but I didn't expect that I can get this close to it. And yeah, seeing the Italians literally touching the lava flow gives confidence, let's say. Whew. Alright guys, this is crazy. I'm literally just 5 meters in front of it and I can see the lava flowing like this. And you can feel the heat, like it's warm, like 20 degrees here. It's incredible, like, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see how it looks at sunset. This is amazing. Wow. Alright guys, after 2 full days of hiking, I'm finally at the top of Mount Etna and I'm super excited because I'm probably gonna do one of the coolest flights that I will ever do in my life. So I got the bird ready, let's go. Let's arm. And we are airborne. Alright, I shot every battery until completely empty and now it's time to go back home. So I will do all the way that I came up the last 2 days. I will go down now and fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. Peace! Yep, that's the way down. It's going pretty well though. Not slipped a single time, so that's great. Touching wood that it stays that way, lol. Oh my god, my DJI Action just turned it on, 3% battery, so... And... I know, still running, cool. So you get a little bit of what's happening here. Let's turn on the light a bit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just me walking like that. In the dark, next to the lava flow. That's pretty nice though. Huge landmark. Just follow the big red river and just go down. Wrong way is up, right way is down. Pretty easy. Yep, okay.